Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be discussing the order of operations in mathematics. This concept encompasses various math operations such as parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Before we solve any math problem, it is crucial to understand the rules of solving. The first rule is to prioritize solving any operations within parentheses. If a problem contains parentheses, we always solve them first. The second rule involves exponents. If there are any exponents in the problem, they should be solved next. The third rule pertains to multiplication and division, which can occur in any order. If there are multiple multiplication or division operations in the problem, we prioritize them accordingly. For example, if the problem contains both multiplication and division, we solve them from left to right. The fourth rule applies to addition and subtraction, which also have the same priority. Similar to multiplication and division, we solve them in the order they appear from left to right. To remember these rules easily, we can use the acronym PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. It is common for people to make mistakes by prioritizing multiplication over division or addition over subtraction. However, it is important to follow the rules and solve the problem from right to left. To better understand these rules, let's go through some examples. Example 1. 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Following the rules, we first identify that there are no parentheses or exponents involved. Hence, we move on to multiplication and division. Since division comes before multiplication, we solve 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. Next, we multiply 4 by 4, resulting in 16. Example 2. 3 plus 6 minus 2 squared. In the expression, 3 plus 6 minus 2 squared, we need to follow the rules of the order of operations to solve it correctly. First, we determine if there are any parentheses or exponents. In this case, there is an exponent, 2 squared, which means we need to calculate 2 multiplied by itself, resulting in 4. We replace 2 squared with 4, making the expression 3 plus 6 minus 4. Next, we evaluate addition and subtraction from left to right. We add 3 and 6, giving us 9. Then we subtract 4 from 9, resulting in 5. Therefore, the correct answer to the expression, 3 plus 6 minus 2 squared, is 5. Example 3. 5 squared plus 7 times 2 minus 4. Examining the problem, we see an exponent, 5 squared. 5 squared is equal to 25. After that, we encounter multiplication and division. Since multiplication appears first, we solve 7 times 2, which equals 14. The revised problem becomes 25 plus 14 minus 4. Applying addition and subtraction from left to right, we find that the answer is 35. Example 4. 3 plus 7 squared divided by 4. In this example, there are parentheses. So, we solve the operation inside them first. 3 plus 7 squared equals 3 plus 49, which is 52. Finally, we divide 52 by 4, resulting in 13. Remember to follow these rules while solving math problems. Always remember in PEMDAS rules the multiplication and division are same priority like addition and subtraction, we need to solve them left to right. By doing so, you can arrive at the correct answers.